Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life, guys. So in this video, we're going to be recycling some products, okay? Or I should say we're going to be recycling some items. One of them is going to be this wine bottle. I went ahead and I spray painted this bottle outside in the white, okay? And then we're going to be using this jar, which I cleaned it up when we spray painted this in black. So we're going to be making some little floral arrangements with them, but we're going to decorate them first, guys. So let's jump right into the project. Guys, everything I'm using to create this is down in the description box below. I hope you enjoy the video, so let's jump right into the project. So, in this one here, I decided to use, let me show you what I'm using. Okay, we're going to use these labels. They sell them at the Dollar Tree. Okay, I like these labels. And then I'm a big fan of these letters, and I pretty much only use the black ones. They have them over there by where they have all the stickers. Okay, that's usually in the crafter section, so you can find that there. Then we're going to be using some jute twine, which you could also find in the crafter section of the Dollar Tree. And what I did is I took one of their calendars. Now I don't have the whole calendar with me, but it is a Dollar Tree calendar, and it's a farmhouse calendar. So I took out one of their pictures, and so that's what I'm using to make these. But what I'm also doing is, I would also like to add, what I did was I'm using one of these labels here, and I spelled out "nice is free." And so we're going to be sticking this on one of these. I'm not sure which one of these I'm going to use, but we're going to be sticking these on one of those two. The messages are pretty much running the same. This one here is going to say "be kind," and this one here is going to say "have courage." Okay, so let's start with the black one. So again, I spray painted this in black. Okay, and I did cut out the message, and this is what that looks like, guys. It says "have courage." So a portion of that sheet that I tore off that calendar is going to be on this jar, and then the other half is going to be on that wine bottle. Okay, so we're going to Mod Podge this onto there. We're going to be using because I'd like a matte finish, we're going to be using the Mod Podge. This one, this size here, I got it at Walmart. Yellow label is matte finish. And I'm doing the whole bottle, so it's okay that it gets everywhere, because it seals in the paint. And like I said, it is a matte finish, so we're going to go around this. So it's a matter of placing the, I'm going to call it a label, placing the sticker, the label. Okay, now once we have that Mod Podge on there, okay, then since the paper's nice and, you know, it's pliable. It was pliable before, but what I'm saying is that it's easy to work with. Then what we're going to do is I'm going to find a placement for this. So I'd like it to be right in the center. And this paper just happens to go around this jar perfectly. If you need to move it, now is the time to do that. Okay, so you just want to lay that down. Okay. Alright guys, so this is what that looks like. You just wipe some of this off. See? Have courage. So now this, again, we're going to start working on that one while this one is drying. So, again, I'm sorry. So I just want to put some, wet that a little bit, then we're going to go ahead and lay that down. Now once I have that piece down, then I'm going to have this one, and this piece here says "be kind." So I'm loving the messages, guys, and I like positive messages, so that's why I do this. So now I'm going to lay this right over laptop. Once I place it, I can go ahead and move it before it dries. liking that placement, so that should be okay. So before I seal that in, I want to show you what that looks like, guys. Okay, so that says be kind. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and seal that in. And again, we're going with a matte finish. Okay guys, so this is what that jar looks like, guys. Be kind. Okay. What I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to go ahead and speed up the drying process here so we can move on to the next step. I'll be right back with you. Okay guys, so this is what that looks like. Okay, the be kind. You know, I really wish the bee would be over here somewhere, but it's be kind, the bee is over here. But so we're gonna decorate. We're gonna kind of decorate around that. But the next thing I wanted to do is I like this nozzle part of the wine bottle to be in twine. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is we're gonna start that off. I'm just gonna run a line. We don't really need to put too much glue. I'm just gonna run a line of hot glue. And then I'm going to start twirling the twine around down the bottle. What that will do is it'll keep it in place. Guys, I don't know if you can see what I'm doing here. So we're going to cut. Right here. Okay. And that's what that looks like, guys. Okay. So the next thing we're going to do is I have this little piece here of this bow. Okay, but I like to make another one of these in front of you so that we can cross that over. You'll see what I mean. So we're going to take the jute twine. I'm going to fold the jute twine, I'll wrap it around my forefingers because that's the size of the bow that I like. So I'm going to place the jute twine over my forefingers and we're going to wrap that around about 8 times. Then we can cut. Now what we're going to do is we're going to pinch in the middle. We're going to cut a little piece here. Okay. Then we're going to wrap that jute twine around that bow there twice, 3 times. Twice is good. Then I'll just tie a knot. Now, I'm just going to spread this around and then cut off the excess, the stragglers I call them. We're going to cut that off. Okay, and that's what we have. So what I'm going to do is the same thing to this one. So what I would like to do, what I'm going to do, is I'm going to place this bow like this, then we're going to glue this one over like this. Put some hot glue, and then we're going to lay that . Now while that's drying, I'm going to go ahead and take a pearl from here. Yes, this is my jar of pearls, guys. I'm loving my pearls, I'm loving my diamonds. So we're going to put a little bit of hot glue, and then we're going to put a diamond in the center. It just helps it to look more finished for me. If you guys like it without the pearl or the gemstone or whatever it is you want to place in the center, go ahead and do that, or just leave it by itself. Look how beautiful that looks, guys. So as that's drying, I'm going to go ahead, and guys, I forgot that I wanted to place this Be Nice on the opposite side. Let me see if I wanted to do that to this one. It says have courage and be nice. Now you know what, I think I'm going to place this message on that jar. So now from here we're going to go ahead and we're going to glue that twine bow. There is where I'm trying to decide where to, I'm going to place it up here, I think. So we're going to glue this bow right at the top of that jar. So now, this is what that's looking like so far, guys. I think I'm going to do one more thing and just place a pearl right here. Well, I'm just going to place a few around, guys. You know how I just like placing pearls or diamonds around. Let's see. Probably just a few. So let's start up here. So I think I'm going to do 3 right along the top here. Put a pearl right in the middle of that flower right there. And hopefully I can draw a little bit of attention by putting one over here next to the bee. Okay, so I think I'm happy with that, guys. Let me show you what that looks like. Let me move this paper, guys, because we don't need it. Okay, this is what that looks like. Isn't that absolutely beautiful? So now we'll put the florals in this as soon as we're done decorating this one. So now this one, I want to go ahead and put the message, and this is what that looks like. So you can clearly see it says have courage on that one. The problem I was having with this one is the bee is all the way off to the corner here, so but it's fine. I'm liking the result of that. I think that looks absolutely gorgeous. So now this here, I'm going to put right behind this, right here, I'm going to put the message that says have courage, and the back of the jar is going to say be nice. So I'm going to peel off the label. I love these labels, guys. These labels, not only do they look like they remind me of burlap, but it's nice for me to line up those letters. It's easy for me to do it on the label and then peel the label up. And then we can just kind of Mod Podge it real quick just to seal that in. And you don't have to worry about doing it on the jar. So we want to make sure we go behind it. So we're going to go right here. See? So all you want to do is place it. Now you can cut along the side here. That doesn't bother me because I'm going to go ahead and add some pearls to it. You won't even see that. But what I am going to do is I am going to seal that in since I have the sponge right here. You don't want to put a lot. You just want to seal those letters in so they don't peel up. So once we do that, okay, now what I'm going to do with this one is I have this ribbon here. Okay, this is grosgrain ribbon in the white with the black polka dots, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make a bow. Isn't that beautiful, guys? Look at that. So now we're going to go ahead and I think I'm going to place that right above here. Okay. I am going to glue the ribbon down. center right there. Okay, so we're done with this. Almost look like a handle, okay, for that jar. And even though we're using it for a floral arrangement, I still think that it would look nice. Okay, and I'm gonna do it this way so that it would hang like this in the back. I think that would look very nice, guys. So that's what I'm gonna do here. So we're gonna come over here, and we're just gonna hold that. Nice, guys, look. I think that's absolutely gorgeous. And I'm not gonna glue that down. I don't know, should I? I think it looks nice. I think I will put a dot of glue just to hold that down. There you go. Look at that. That's absolutely gorgeous, guys. So on this side it says nice is free. On this side it says have courage. Isn't that beautiful? So now is my favorite part. Let's put the florals in. So here's the bottle. Guys, these would be nice even for a table, like a table setting. You wanted to put it in the center of a table or even outside. Either one of these two have a tag. Let me get that silicone finger off my finger because I don't feel it. Okay, so neither one of these two, guys, I did get them at the Dollar Tree. I absolutely love them. They're absolutely gorgeous, but I don't have a tag, so I don't remember the name of these. So I'm going to use these to decorate the wine bottle. I'm loving how that looks, guys. And I put the 3 pearls going up like that. Doesn't that look nice? I love that. Okay, so this is what that looks like. Isn't that beautiful? And then this one, this little one, we're going to be using, okay, these have tags on them, guys. So we're going to be using, let me move these pearls. Okay, so we know this is boxwood because I absolutely love boxwood and I pick it up at Walmart whenever I can. Isn't that beautiful? Absolutely beautiful. So we're going to open these up. I have 2 of those. Then I have 2 of these. I got these at Dollar Tree and these are called Heather. And I got them in the purple. I know they come in other colors, pink and maybe cream color, I don't know. So this is Heather, did come from the Dollar Tree. We're going to be using 2 of these. So I would like the boxwood to kind of fluff out. So I usually separate them. You can manipulate them any way you want. Okay. So we'll place them in there first, and then we'll place the Heather. So the Heather will be in the center, right here. Guys, isn't that beautiful? Look at that. I don't know if you could see that. Look how beautiful that looks. So this one, see, so we take something that's recyclable and look, we can make something really nice, a nice piece of decor with it, guys. I love revamping and using recyclable items. So guys, everything I use to create this craft, once again, is down in the description box below. I hope you like the video, share the video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys in another video.